Hello there, Amanda here. Today I wanted to take you along while we did a couple things from our Year in the 100-Acre Wood curriculum. I saved a couple things throughout the week to do all today on Friday. We're going to do a couple handcrafts and our field trip and our tea party today. Sort of just to show that you don't have to do everything that's included because we did skip a couple things, and give you an idea of how you can kind of make things work for you, because like our field trip today is berry picking and we don't really have anywhere that we can do that. So we're just going to go down to the grocery store and pick berries. And then we'll do our recipe of the week and hang out, have our tea party. And one of the handcrafts is another recipe actually, so we're gonna do that as well today. So we have this handcraft that we're gonna do today, making this honey putty. I just didn't have powdered sugar, so I decided to hold on to this and do this instead of doing it on Monday where it was scheduled. Decided we could just do it on Friday. So that'll be fun for her to take care of. And then we have this handcraft on Tuesday, which we did not do and won't be doing, mostly because we don't have the book that's recommended. We could still do it, but because we have so many other things that I have planned for today, I don't think we're going to do that one. We started this one yesterday, so we're going to try to finish it up today. We did go out and gather supplies for this, but she didn't seem super interested in doing it yesterday because her father came home. We won't be doing this handcraft today because I don't have the supplies. I'm sure they're easy enough to get. I just want to kind of pick and choose the handcrafts that we complete because we're already not using the full curriculum because we have other stuff going on, and I don't want to spend a bunch of money buying too many things. So we do skip stuff every once in a while, and maybe we'll go back to it later, or I plan to redo this another year. Maybe we'll do it then. And this is pretty cool. I wouldn't actually mind doing this. It's just I wasn't prepared for it this week. And then our Friday tea party, we're going to make the wild berry chia jam. I actually have to see, I think I might have some chia seeds in my pantry, and we don't actually drink tea, so we might go grab some like lemonade or something. And then the field trip today is to go berry picking. We can't do that where we live just because, well, there really isn't anywhere to go berry picking. And while we live in like a rural area, it's actually quite developed just in this one spot, so I wouldn't even know where to go. And I don't know what would be safe for us to pick and eat anyways. And I don't have, like I said, I don't have this book. So we're just going to go down to the grocery store to pick up some berries. And I mean, if it's just like strawberries, raspberries, or whatever, that's fine. But maybe we'll see if they have something that we don't usually eat, something a little different and new. Then here is the recipe that we're going to be following. So I just have to get some berries. We have honey, and I think I have chia seeds, and we'll follow this recipe today when we get back from the grocery store. And that's the end of the day. We did some gathering of things in nature for a little activity, and we went berry picking at the grocery store, and we made honey putty, and which I will say was very difficult. And the recipe called for, sorry about the angle, I don't feel like setting up a tripod. The recipe called for honey and powdered sugar and oil. And I put powdered sugar, and I put more powdered sugar, and I put more powdered sugar, to the point where I was like doing double and triple the recipe, and it still wasn't coming together. So I found another recipe online, and it called for cornstarch. So I added some cornstarch into the existing recipe, and that seemed to work. So if you're running into some trouble with that, cornstarch saved the day. And then we made the berry, what is it called? Berry chia jam, maybe? Which is delicious. We both loved it. Something else I did that was a little bit different was, after it cooked for 15 minutes, I noticed that because of the berries that we chose to put in it, there was some skin inside that wasn't breaking down. So I actually threw it all in a blender before adding the chia seeds to it. So I didn't blend it completely to like a liquid consistency. There were still some chunks in it, but most of it was broken down better than just cooking it in the pot. So thank you so much for watching this. If this is the kind of content that you'd like to see more, you can definitely subscribe and leave a comment letting me know if this is good. Like, do people want this? Do people want to see this? Because I have had people ask for it and mention that they really do enjoy watching what I put out there, because it might be a little bit different than what other people have out there. But I don't know, what's something you want to watch? And because we already are going through this curriculum, why not share with you what we're doing at any given time? That's kind of the idea behind that. So thank you for watching.